A foundational aspect of any AI model is the training phase. This crucial step requires feeding the model a dataset for training, which usually includes a few example documents. Therefore, the first step for us is to upload the training documents into the system. These documents can be in various formats, such as PDFs, or even scanned images that need to be processed using AI optical character recognition techniques. We facilitate the machine's learning process by uploading these documents, thus supplying data for training the model to understand and analyze documents effectively. The process of uploading the training documents begins at the Files Annotation tab of Artificio's interface. While uploading, users can also select the checkboxes to fix skewness and orientation of the documents. After the document is successfully uploaded in the Files Annotation tab, the status is set to New. Once the document is ready for annotation, the status of the file changes to Ready from the New status. Now let's go into the prerequisites for document training. The first step is to add labels. Labels in Artificio are crucial for annotating documents and training AI models. They facilitate accurate data extraction and prediction. Let's consider an example from an invoice document. Without a label, this string of numbers at the top of the invoice could represent various pieces of information within the invoice, such as a customer ID, product ID, or invoice number. Without context or labeling, it's impossible to discern the meaning behind this raw data field. However, with proper labeling, we can assign meaning to this raw text field. Labels are used to annotate key data elements in documents or images during the AI model training process. Accurate labeling is essential for the AI to learn effectively and recognize similar data in new documents. Created labels need to be added in the data groups, as the data groups are then assigned to the documents for model training. Look at the supplementary videos for more details about the labels. Now let's understand the purpose of the data groups. Data groups in Artificio are pivotal for organizing and classifying different types of documents for efficient data extraction, prediction and transformation. A data group in Artificio can also represent a specific type of document or a collection of similar documents, such as vendor invoices, bill of ladings, IDs, or admission forms. Data groups can be created or edited within the Files Annotation tab by clicking on the Data Groups button. Each data group contains relevant labels, like an ER labels, extra labels, OCR selection labels, that are used to extract, predict, or transform data from various document types. Data groups, when assigned to a document, the document gets ready for the annotation process. Look at the supplementary videos for more details about the data groups. After fulfilling the prerequisites, let's start with the process of annotation by selecting through the checkbox and clicking on the Annotation button on the Files Annotation tab. Upon clicking the Annotation button, the annotation interface will open, providing users with the necessary tools for annotating the data. Initially, the OCR Selection tab is active, showing key pairs values auto-extracted by the advanced AI OCR. Switch to the Labels tab and select labels from the right side of the canvas, under Data Group Name, to the document displayed. Draw bounding boxes around the values you wish to extract by drag and drop labels. Repeat this process for annotating all the necessary fields in the document. The user must click Save to preserve the annotations made on the document. The Save feature in the Annotation tool is integral to preserving the integrity of your work. It ensures that all annotations, including labels and tables, are securely stored in the database. After annotating the document and clicking Save, it advances to the Review Train tab, where the status is automatically set to In Process, indicating it's ready for review to kick off the model training process. To start training the model, our specialists will use the samples you provide to teach the model how to identify key pairs or tag entities in tables. Training a custom model with the help of our experts is particularly effective for processing documents with complex layouts, like forms, work logs, or business letters, where layout is key to understanding the content. Artificio's AI model conquers the complexity of key pairs and table line items extraction. This empowers users to efficiently and reliably extract data from diverse document layouts across industries, streamlining workflows and boosting data accuracy. It's a game changer for document processing.